Good day everyone, welcome to our vlogs. Today we are going to explain the impact of social science on individuals and society.
Social science studies people, their behavior, and how they interact with others and their environment. It's like trying to understand how society works. Main disciples is sociology, psychology, anthropology, economics, political science, the geography.
Social science is very important to our society and to individuals because first, social science helps individuals develop critical thinking skills. Second, studying social science fosters empathy, understanding of different cultures, perspectives, and experiences, promoting tolerance and compassion. Third, social science provides individuals with a deeper understanding of human behavior, social structures, and institutions, enabling them to take informed decisions in their personal and professional lives. Exploring social sciences can lead to a greater understanding of oneself and one's place in society, promotions personal growth and self-awareness. In society, it has positive effect. The social progress improve institutions, cultural understanding, and exchange.
Negative effect of individuals is information overload, bias, and perspective limitation. Emotional distress. Negative effect of society is polarization and conflict, which social science can be way to justify conflicting ideologies, potentially exacerbating social division and conflict, misuse of information, and also inequality and exclusion.
Social science is very helpful to our society and individuals because it helps us understand everyone's behavior and studying societies. And social science goals in understand human behavior, identifying patterns, develop explanation, inform decision, and promote social justice.